7 quirky cultural traditions, immersing in unusual rituals and ceremonies. Across the globe, hidden gems of tradition sparkle with human creativity. Imagine streets flooded in tomato red, laughter echoing. Envision a leap over infants that wards off ancient spirits. These vivid scenes are not from a fantasy but glimpses into the world's quirkiest celebrations. We're about to dive deep into the heart of humanity's most unusual rituals, from Scotland's fiery shores to the vibrant markets of Mexico, uncovering the stories that weave our rich cultural tapestry. This journey is an invitation to marvel at our global diversity, to see the beauty in our eccentricities, and to celebrate the profound unity in our differences. Before we dive into this list, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more captivating journeys into the heart of human culture. Now let's embark on this extraordinary exploration together, discovering the world in a new light. 1. The Spanish Tomato War, La Tomatina. On a particular day, the streets of Buñol, Spain, become red, not with flowers, but with tomatoes. It all began in 1945 with a friendly food fight among friends, and it has grown into La Tomatina, an annual celebration of happiness and tomatoes. Imagine the excitement of engaging in combat with thousands of others, armed with ripe tomatoes, where laughter triumphs over mayhem. For a few hours, everyone is joined in a spectacle stained like tomatoes, celebrating the end of summer and a time of pure, unfettered delight. 2. The Rolling Cheese Competition, England. An historic and dangerous contest takes place on a steep hill in Gloucestershire, England, with a wheel of cheese as the prize. The custom known as the cheese rolling contest may have its origins in ancient ceremonies. It involves competitors racing after a rolling wheel of cheese, falling and sprinting in an attempt to catch it. It's an exuberant celebration of the local community, the joy of spring, and the whimsical side of the human spirit. 3. The Boryeong Mud Festival, South Korea. Mud is used for more than just creating pies in Boryeong, South Korea. It's the focal point of a celebration that brings in millions of visitors every year. The Boryeong Mud Festival originated in 1998 to promote cosmetics created from the local mud, recognized for its health advantages. However, what really catches people's attention is the excitement of mud wrestling, mud sliding, and even mud king competitions. Imagine yourself laughing with strangers who soon become friends, completely coated in mud and connected by the common basic joy of playing in the mud. 4. El Colacho, or the Baby Jumping Festival, Spain. An astonishing and enthralling traditional rite takes place in Castrillo de Murcia, Spain. El Colacho is a 1620 show that combines pagan and Catholic customs, with men disguised as devils jumping over infants. Not only is this a spectacle, but it's also said to absolve the infants of original sin and shield them from demonic spirits. Imagine taking a leap of faith as a symbolic act of purification, where tradition protects the most defenseless among us and ties the group to its ancient, mysterious origins. 5. Up Helly, the Viking Fire Festival, Scotland. Up Helly, the Viking Fire Festival is a spectacular event held annually in Lerwick, Shetlands, Scotland. This unique celebration pays homage to the Norse heritage of the Shetland Islands and is one of the largest fire festivals in Europe. The highlight of Up Helly is the torch-lit procession, where hundreds of costumed participants, known as geysers, march through the streets carrying flaming torches. The procession culminates in the dramatic burning of a replica Viking longship, symbolizing the end of the festival. 6. The Bull Running Festival, Spain. Get ready to feel the pulse-pounding excitement of the Bull Running Festival, famously known as the Encierro, held annually in the vibrant city of Pamplona, Spain, as part of the San Fermin festivities. Picture this: courageous participants, known as mozos, dashing alongside thundering bulls through the winding streets of the city. This centuries-old tradition ignites a surge of adrenaline, turning the narrow lanes into a thrilling arena of bravery and spectacle. 7. The Day of the Dead, Dia de los Muertos, Mexico. Bienvenidos al Dia de los Muertos, a celebration that honors the spirits of the departed with joy and reverence. It is a vibrant celebration where families honor deceased loved ones by creating colorful altars adorned with marigolds, candles, and offerings, and visiting cemeteries to share stories and memories of the departed. During the festival, cemeteries come alive with music, dance, and laughter as families gather to remember and celebrate their ancestors. Dia de los Muertos is a beautiful and poignant tradition that celebrates the continuity of life and the enduring connection between the living and the dead. As we wrap up our global tour of quirky traditions, we've only scratched the surface of the world's cultural richness. If these stories intrigued you, join the conversation by commenting your thoughts or sharing a unique tradition you love. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, hitting the bell icon to stay updated on our future explorations. Together, let's keep discovering and celebrating the diverse tapestry that makes our world so fascinating.